Wow, episode 33. I'm very happy to share the journey till date. So, as you see, the curing is going on for the ceiling plaster, beam plaster, the patch plaster in the kitchen area. And this waterproofing of this bed was already being explained in the last video, ceiling curing. Here, the slab strengthening was done, which also I had covered in the last video. So what you see is the extensive curing work which is going on, as I don't like to compromise in the curing process. So while curing, we make sure that we have a plastic sheet spread. In the common bathroom, the wall which was in progress was completed, is completed today. You see a lintel and above that the layer of brick. So moving ahead to the common bedroom. In the common bedroom, the ceiling curing is going on. Now we are going to the master bedroom. So what you rightly see here is the plastering which was already done, but this fresh thing what the mason is doing currently, this was again the slab defect which was identified few days back. So the anti-rust was applied to the bars, then it was mixed with URP and Dr. Fixit, and over that we did a concreting. So in the bathroom as such, it is only the curing work which is going on. So guys, for the slab strengthening, I'll be posting a video soon with a proper explanation and the explanation of the process as well. So stay tuned for that video. Once my video is completed, I'll definitely post it on the social media icons, so you can definitely have a look through it. So well, thank you so much for being with me in this journey. I hope you are liking the content. Do share if you feel it valuable. Thank you. Bye bye.